Said I'd like to know if you're logged into Notion. All right, so this is a little intro to Notion. For those of you who haven't used it before, it's basically like Google Docs meets spreadsheets meets project management tools. And I started using Notion in 2020, I think it was, right when COVID started. I was working with a remote team. A buddy of mine had a ed tech consulting company based out of San Francisco, and I was doing some content operations with him and his clients, and we started using Notion, and I fell in love with it. So just wanted to show you guys a brief little rundown of some of the things you can do with it, and then of course there's all kinds of templates and everything all over the web. But so say you wanted to do something just to manage your day-to-day tasks. You could do a to-do list here. Actually, no. Let's go ahead and do, my favorite part of Notion is the backslash capability. So I will just go ahead and title this page Notion YouTube Notion YouTube vid example April 15. Sweet. So then, yeah, you can just do the backslash, and then you can do table, create, no, what am I doing here? Database. Perfect. Inline. So you can create a database, and then say that you wanted to organize all of your content operations in one place. You could call this content ops. So then you could do name, tags, so edit property. I'd probably want to do this as a status property. So you just go in, or a select rather. So select, sort, manual. Then you can go in here and add your options. So say we were going to do content type. Then you can add an option. So that's like short blog. That would be like anything that's under 750 words. Which, like, then you could also do some cool stuff on the back end and repurpose things that were the right size content for other platforms and all of that. But so this would be like long form blog, YouTube long form, YouTube short, TikTok, and then I guess this would be, instead of TikTok, I should just call these videos. So YouTube short. So this will be short form vid. And then long form vid. All right, so content type. So let's go ahead and just do the actual database archiving for this video right here. So how to use Notion to create your content operations dashboard. And so this would be content type long form vid. Sweet. So then the next thing we could do is date. And so I like the getting things done methodology of DO dates instead of DUE dates. So we will just do the due date for the actual content. Let's see, OG content created. And then you can have like another date that is upload date. Upload date. And so long form vid, due date today, upload date. Let's just say that. And then, so this would be select. I'll do multi-select for platform. So then we can go ahead and put on here YouTube, YT Shorts, IG Reels, IG Static, FB Repurposed Vids. And you can honestly just edit these however you want, whatever makes sense for your workflow. But we'll just go ahead on here and do YouTube. Okay, so say now that you wanted to, let me just put some other things in here real quick. How to start a blog calendar on Notion. We'll just call this one a blog, wherever my mouse went. All right. Long form blog, due date. So we could write that Wednesday. We could ship that likely Wednesday as well. I don't like to have too much time with something done before I just ship it because the internet is finicky like that and people forget. Here, let's see. So this will be newsletter, personal blog, and then I guess I could just call it a cash flow blog would be the best way to describe anything other than a personal blog. Sweet, so just call it cash flow blog, or you know what, I'm just gonna call this, I'll have one for Medium so that we can actually quantify it in something where people know the website. Okay, so long form blog, long form video. Let me see here. So what if we wanted to do repurposed long form YouTube clips? And this is why I love Notion right here, is that you can open this up and then have a completely separate place where you can go in and say database inline, call this repurposed clips from YT long form and then you can go in and change the view to a gallery. And then say I put so I'll do files and media. Just leave that as is. So say I have the file of this YouTube video and then I upload it here after it's done being recorded. And so I'll have it there so I can take it from here to splice it into whatever platforms I use to splice it, and then come back and then say repurpose long form YouTube clips. I'm going to get more granular with this and just say repurposed YouTube clips for Notion content operations walk through video. And then so as you upload them there, the files and media here, you can embed them there, or you can go in here and then have each of these where you could put the subsequent, like, let me see, you could do relation and then pull that in from repurposed. I pull that in from okay, so content ops, and then I would relate it to the multi-select. So let me see, property, content ops, show on content ops. All right, let me see if I add a relation on this one then. Okay, perfect. So repurposed. And this would be like clip one splice. And then you could also, how do I relate it just to the platform? I don't know. I'll have to mess with the relations, but essentially you can get pretty granular with all that and then have this be something that, let me show you my kind of operating system here. Areas, Denver Home Pros, home, polymath, publishing channels, blogging, social media, YouTube, podcasts. So I'm just kind of trying to get everything set back up here. I had my handyman company set up here on Notion to Denver Home Pros Task Manager. You can see all this here. I mean, it's pretty amazing how customizable the whole platform is. Everything you can do with it. Let's see here. So if I wanted to then do a calendar view on this so that I can see my dates, calendar, show calendar by upload date. So then you could even call this view upload due dates, and then you could even, let's see, duplicate view, rename, content creation due date. I know I'm contradicting myself using the other version of due date, but on a calendar, I think it makes sense. But when you're looking at the words DO, just get your ass in gear, brother. All right, so let's see. Upload due dates, content creation due dates. So if we wanted to go ahead and just do like LinkedIn blog repurposing then content type, social media. Actually, that needs to be way more granular. So this could be like LinkedIn carousel. And then YouTube clips. This could be all kinds of stuff. I'm going to actually make this multi-select. There we go. All right. Yeah. If you have any questions about Notion, you can reach me at npolymarketing@gmail.com or at nick at the denverhomepros.com. And we'll see you in the next video.